Welcome to this session where we learn how to clone a given regular expression in JavaScript. By cloning, we create an independent copy of the regular expression with the same source pattern and flags, which can be reused or modified without altering the original. Let's get started. Cloning a regular expression is not as straightforward as copying primitive values. Since regular expressions are objects, we need to extract their source and flags to create a proper clone. Let's explore how to achieve this. This code demonstrates how to clone a regular expression by accessing its source and flag properties. Using these, we create a new regex object that is an independent copy of the original. The cloning process involves extracting the source pattern and flags of the original regex and passing them to the regex constructor. This ensures the clone regex is an independent copy. In this example, we clone the regex lorem ipsum gi by extracting its source and flags and passing them to the regex constructor. We ensure that the clone is independent and behaves as a separate object. The ES6 version simplifies the implementation with error functions, making the code cleaner and more concise. The logic remains the same, leveraging source and flags to create the clone. Cloning regular expressions is useful in text processing, especially when you need to reuse patterns in different contexts. This avoids side effects, such as when a global regex retains its state across iterations. To summarize, cloning a regular expression ensures its independence and reusable. This technique is essential when dealing with global patterns or when the same regex needs to be applied in different scenarios. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.